With this video, you will learn how to properly install Ulta Tile. Start the installation from the bottom left side of the roof surface. Mount the first panel using two long fasteners as shown on the screen. Continue the installation of the next panels in vertical row pattern. Connect tiles through the center hole first, using short fasteners. If necessary, remove one of the two long fasteners, adjust the tiles to the angle of the existing roof as shown on the screen. Secure the panels in the first eave row with 8 fasteners per panel, and subsequent horizontal rows with 5 fasteners per panel. Remember, do not fasten tiles to the deck through the connection. In high wind zones, it is recommended to use 10 long fasteners per panel on the whole surface of the roof.